Hello guys, so there is this news that the federal government would be sanctioning those who failed to file their personal income tax, and as such I've decided to make this video so that people can know how to file their personal income tax so that there won't be issues with them. For those based in Lagos, congratulations to you because it has been extended till on the 14th of April. So for those that are new here, or you are watching me maybe in 2027 or after 2020, anything above 2026, this is how to file your personal income tax in case you are not aware of it. So the number one thing you have to do is to locate the tax office or the Internal Revenue Service in your location. So if you are based in Lagos, look for where it is the closest tax office to your house or to where you work. Now the same thing applies to other states in Nigeria because you will be needing your personal income tax ID. Now the thing is, some of us already know our personal income tax ID because we've worked with some organizations that actually pay tax on our behalf, and as such you can easily get it from HR. But if you have not gotten your own or you don't know it, so make sure you follow this instruction. So number one, make sure you locate the closest tax office to you and get your tax ID. After that, ask them for their website because you'll be needing the website to actually file your tax details, personal income tax details yourself. Otherwise, you can gather the documents I've mentioned later and take them to the tax office. So it's either you do it yourself online or you take it to the office. Now, if you are doing it by yourself or you are taking it to the office, you will be needing these documents. Number one, you need your bank statement. That's your salary bank statement. Yeah, that's number one. Number two is the fact that you will be needing your pay slip. This pay slip must correspond with what enters into your account. Then number three, you need to have a document that outlines the deductions from your account, from your salary, that outlines the deduction from your salary. For example, maybe you are paying pension, the one for health, housing fund, and some other, maybe insurance, this and that are very, very important and are, governed by labor laws. So these ones will actually impact on your, on your income, so that government will understand how much they're supposed to deduct. Now, the deduction when it comes to government is usually between 0% to a maximum of 25%, depending on so many circumstances. Yeah. So after that, you have to go to the website, file your report, how much you've earned, how much you have been earning, and all. Filing your personal income tax is quite good for you and for for the country. But you need to understand that there is also a policy that says that you must have earned at least 800,000 naira before you can start, remitting personal income tax to government. So if all your salary or your income is not up to 800,000 naira, I don't think you have any issue. But you must be able to prove this with your bank statement. So another thing is you need to understand that if you have outstanding tax to pay, make sure you pay everything you are owing the government. Yeah, because you don't want anything to impact your future finances and all. So let me recap the three major things you need to understand when it comes to filing personal income tax with government. Number one is that you must be a resident in Nigeria for at least 183 days before you can be qualified as someone that is expected to pay tax in Nigeria. So if you have been living outside Nigeria for for some days and you have not stayed in Nigeria for 183 days, or you have not earned in Nigeria for 183 days, then you can't really qualify to pay tax in Nigeria. Now, you need to also understand that for the tax rate, we have what we call the income band. So, depending on your income band, that is what will determine your tax rate. And it's usually between 0% to 25%. So, how much you pay depends on your income band. So, lastly, there is what we call the deductions. Now, the deductions from your tax that you're expected to pay can be determined by how much you actually save for your pension, for your insurance, for your housing fund, and all. If this is the first time watching our videos, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you file your personal income tax because the government and Nigeria needs it. I'd like to see you in the next video. Bye for now.